What impact did immigrants have on NYC's cheap food? Imagine walking through New York City streets and smelling the aroma of foods from all over the world. That's because immigrants shaped the city's affordable food scene in big ways. When new groups arrived, they settled in neighborhoods with limited money and resources. They brought recipes that were easy to make and cheap to sell. For example, Eastern European Jewish immigrants introduced kosher dill pickles and knishes. These foods were affordable and sold on pushcarts or small shops in neighborhoods like the Lower East Side. They became symbols of cultural pride and also offered low-cost meals for many residents. Italian immigrants from southern Italy brought Neapolitan pizza. To sell it quickly and cheaply, they made large, thin slices that people could grab on the go. This made pizza a popular cheap meal for working-class New Yorkers. Street vending has been part of the city since the 1600s, and each wave of immigrants added their own flavors. Early street foods included oysters and clams, which were plentiful and cheap. Later, foods like hot dogs, falafel, and knishes became common on street corners, giving everyone affordable options. Markets like Essex Market started as small pushcart spots serving immigrant communities. These markets kept prices low by offering fresh ingredients directly from vendors. Immigrants also worked at major food markets like the Fulton Fish Market, which supplied affordable seafood to the city. Their skills and labor helped keep prices down and food accessible. Overall, immigrants changed NYC's food scene by introducing new flavors, adapting old recipes, and creating food businesses that served working people. Their influence is still visible today in the city's ethnic restaurants, street vendors, and markets. These places continue to offer affordable, culturally rich foods that everyone can enjoy. Thanks to their efforts, New York City remains a place where diverse, inexpensive eats are part of everyday life.